kinds of dimsums can be quite a task. And even though it doesn't look like it, I certainly cannot say no to food. And here at Papaya, we do not just serve different flavors with different kinds of preparations of dimsums. Thought that we were lying about Papaya serving the widest variety of dimsums that there ever are. Well, let's just take a look at this table right in front of me. It's filled with dimsums and different kinds of varieties with flavors, different preparations. Okay.
This is asparagus and corn. That's sweet crab stuffed in pimentos.
Okay.
That's lucerne chestnut. This is prawn chung fung, this is lamb mandarin bee hunt.
Okay.
Even my mouth has started watering now.
Yes, because looking at the table, I think our appetite is increasing by the second. And let's dig in. Delicious.
Ching fung.
Okay.
So ching fung is prawn. It is filled with prawn and chives, with the parts of prawn and chives. Topped with some crispy garlic, some fresh chilies, and house-made soy sauce below dumpling.
Okay, so for the seafood lovers, this one has prawn stuffing, and this might just be the pick for you.